Hi everyone. Last video we will cover D1201 equipment. Just drag this site into the workspace. Then we are created part one, the equipment modeling and equipment modeling cylinder, dish and the support. Then rectangular torus and the part two we are covered nozzle orientation. In this video we will cover the cracking tower. Here, tracking tower is there. This will cover the equipment, all the equipment. First of all, what are the components? Are there? This is a rectangular plate is there. We are already covered this model, and next one is cracking tower. Said this one rectangular plate is there. The square of 2100. This and one cylinder is there. This one is a cylinder is there, and one cone and one more cylinder, then dish is there. We'll cover in this video equipment modeling like cylinder and cone and rectangular plate. Okay, so we will start this video. So if you want to remove on the equipment from the workspace, just command here rim all will go. Then create one new equipment being on the zone equipment, then create one more equipment inside the equipment. We create equipment name is C1101. This one is equipment. The name of the equipment is name of the equipment cracking tower C1101. Okay, then here C1101 equipment name. Then if you want to position here, give the value, otherwise give after the completion of all the equipment. Then okay, C1101 already existed, so okay here. Then C1101 dash 01. Okay, then okay, then equipment created here. Being on the equipment, then create one plate. So a box is there. It's taking box. This is a position value. By creating, we are selecting the bottom plane. Here there are the three planes are there. This is a up and down plane. This one is up and down plane. This is not south direction plate. Then this one is a east and west plate. This one is a east and west plate. We will complete in this model up and down a plane. Then tracking because the tracking tower is there. So we select up and down plane already. Then give the position 0 here. Otherwise, if not come, then right click. Then again, then give 0 tap 0 tap 0. Then enter. It's come on the position. Coming the 0 position. Then give the east west north value here. East west value is 2100 tap 2100 100 type 0, then enter, then give the height maybe 25, they are not given, then enter. Here box is created here, then go to being on this equipment, go to box, then go to home, then go to properties, we select from geometry, click the geometry, they are given to one x value, z value, all the value we are given already, then already created. Okay, then close it. Okay, go to home, move, position, here 21 0 origin point is there, we will do 0 value here because center will take, then here 0, then enter 0, then 0, then enter, then apply, then cancel, all the values come on the coordinate of the center. Being on this equipment, look east, if it is equipment not come, right click and up, then the equipment is on the center, then command here axis set C, then enter, our position of the equipment on top of the center of the center, so we'll change the equipment our position here, go to equipment, move equipment id point, we change the id point here, we can select from top of the surface, then being on the surface, or select here, being on this equipment, select here, return to initial origin point, no, then command again here accelerate C, our coordinate come on the top of the surface, so we will check again, being on this, then check east position on the top of the surface. Okay, then again being on the equipment, go to the cylinder, we will create one cylinder here, so what is the size of the cylinder is, let's cross check, cylinder diameter is 1430 and height height is they are given 1470 14076 from bottom of the space. Okay, take a 25 plate here, so 14076 is height and diameter is 1413, so go to the model, then create here, already created here some. Okay, okay, so select here center point of the top of the point, then diameter 14 13, then enter, they ask height minus this one is a plus, so what is the height of the cylinder, 14076, then go to the model, 14076 14076, okay, 10476, then enter, then model created here, being on this right click and click here extension to create it here the top of the surface. Okay, then change the id point here, because if we change the equipment id point, then take every equipment take on the surface of the where we are created the center, so I am creating id point here, return to niche one, no, if I am taken here cone, it will come on the top of the surface. So bring on the equipment, go to the cone by creating the cone. So diameter of the bottom diameter is same 14 13. Then height, we'll check height. What is the height? Height 280 is there. Height is okay 280. Then go to model. Then one check here also 1067 top diameter. Okay, 1067 and 280. 280 is the height. 280 and diameter 1067. Then enter here. It will create it automatically on the top of the surface. Then next diameter is there. The height of the diameter 7849. From here to dish is they are given 7849. 7849. So we'll do, then take cylinder here. If I take cylinder here, it will take from center. So I'll take from here. Then select 10. Then height that given height 7849. 7849. 7849. Then enter. Become okay 7849. Then go to the again. What is the dish height? 200 dish height, and they are given 280. Diameter is 1067 already is there. So we will create here one model. Dish is here. Then select here. Then diameter already is there. Then height 280. You can enter. Being on the dish, then check once again. They are not taken radius. Radius I will give 10% of the diameter. So 106.7. Then enter. Okay. We have created one cracking tower here. Cracking tower. Then okay, nozzle cracking tower will created here, and we will create a next video on all the nozzles, nozzle manholes, and all facing towards the north. This one is the north direction, and for nozzle, and some of the offset nozzles are there, and the rotation nozzle is there. So we will create on the next video. Thank you for watching.